In this video, you will review the electrical circuits in a project using the System Browser, identify unassigned elements and create electrical circuits, edit new and existing electrical circuits, and review circuit and panel board properties. Creating and editing circuits is a fundamental aspect of working within the electrical discipline of Revit, and one of the early workflows you will encounter when you first start. It's important to make sure all electrical elements are connected to appropriate circuits, so an accurate evaluation of the electrical loading in the project can be established. Any unassigned elements, those not connected to circuits, can affect that evaluation. We will start by using the System Browser to gain an overview of the electrical systems in the project. Then, we can begin to create and edit circuits, reviewing warnings and circuit properties as necessary to complete the project. Begin by opening the Revit project file E01_01. Ensure the current view is Power Floor Plans 1 Power. Let's start by looking at the circuits in the System Browser and determine if there are any unassigned elements. From the right mouse button, select Browsers and System Browser. Then, expand the Unassigned branch. On review, it can be seen that the receptacles in the kitchen area have yet to be added to a circuit, so let's go ahead and create a separate circuit that will be connected to LP1. It can also be seen that some of the lighting fixtures have yet to be connected. Switch to One Lighting Floor Plan and add the fixtures in the room to the bottom right of the floor plan to the existing lighting circuit. The warning message suggests that by connecting the additional lighting fixtures, we have exceeded 80% of the circuit rating. The circuit rating could be increased to include these lighting fixtures, but in this situation we will create a new circuit. Then select Edit Circuit from the ribbon and move the fixtures in the two rooms to the left, currently assigned to the original circuit, over to the new one by using the Add to Circuit option. Finally, the lighting for the parking lot has yet to be connected to its own circuit. Select each of the lighting fixtures and create a new circuit, which will be connected to LP1. The warning message here indicates that there are not enough slots available on LP1 for this new circuit. Close the warning and review the properties for panel LP1. The number of single pole breakers is currently set to 6. Although this number can be increased beyond the physical capacity of the panel, this particular panel can have 12 single pole breakers, so we'll go ahead and increase the number to 12. The exterior lighting can now be connected to LP1. Position your cursor over one of the exterior lighting fixtures, then press the Tab key to highlight the circuit. Select the circuit with the left mouse button, then choose LP1 from the drop-down menu. Finally, let's review the circuit rating for the exterior lighting. Highlight and select the circuit using the Tab key and the left mouse button, and note the rating of 20 amps in the properties. This value is taken from the electrical settings and applied by default to each new circuit created. This can be edited here, but the new value would only be applied to new circuits, which is not what we're looking for here. Instead, we will override the rating by editing the circuit properties for the exterior lighting. To complete this project, highlight the circuit again and set the rating to 30 amps in the electrical loads area of the properties. A final review of the System Browser shows that there are no unassigned items left to be connected to circuits. When creating and editing electrical circuits in Revit, leveraging tools such as the System Browser and electrical settings, along with information found in the circuit properties, will help you highlight and address areas of concern and reduce potential errors. By ensuring all electrical equipment, electrical fixtures and lighting fixtures are accounted for and correctly connected, you can more effectively monitor electrical design and drive change in your project.